So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBPJPY. You know, we this movement since Friday, last week Friday, right? We said that GBPJPY will reject from this level, right? It will reject from this level. This was where GBPJPY was around last week, right? We predicted that market will reject from this level. This is what market did. Markets eventually rejected. The market was able to pull back, and we also said that after the pullback, we should be expecting market to push up one more time, which it did, right? After that, this was a pullback the market did for us yesterday. Then that yesterday, where we did a prediction on our GBPJPY, we said that there will be a bullish move that will come to tap this our resistance level. This was our target, right? And guess what? Markets eventually gave us this bullish move. So this is one of the reasons why, if you are not yet a subscriber and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button right now. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel so you don't miss out on any update. Link to the Telegram in the comment section. So guys, our bias is still here. So we are still going to be expecting market to continue to push up till it is able to tap this our resistance level. So a further bullish move is still what we are going to be expecting on our GBP JPY. So now this is a positive move that market did right here. Here is the pullback, right? Market then was able to push up into form a new high. Now expect a little bit of a pullback on your GBPJPY. So once the pullback plays out on GBPJPY, another bullish move. So whatever you want to be doing, right, going for the buy, the market is able to tap this resistance level. Once it taps this resistance level, then I will give you guys an update on what you should be expecting next. So subscribe, like, share, and make your comments. So also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You'll find a link to the Telegram in the comment section.